Looking for the perfect stay for your next Goa trip? Today, I'm reviewing Heritage Village Resort in South Goa, and trust me, you'll want to stick around till the end to know if it's really worth your money. Welcome to Wanderwise, where we share honest reviews, travel tips, and food experiences to help you plan your travels. Heritage Village Resort is located in South Goa, 17 kilometers from Madgaon station and 55 kilometers from the North Goa airport. The main entrance to the resort is beautiful with lush greenery and rustic elements. The check-in experience is very smooth and the staff is warm and hospitable. Now, let me show you the beautiful room. The room is cozy and calm with a queen-size bed and a sofa seater on the side. The best part is this wonderful balcony overlooking the garden and the pool. The washroom was super clean and hygienic. The weather was beautiful and we had a great time enjoying in this huge pool at the property. The property also has direct access to Arossim Beach, which is beautiful and clean and just what you need at the end of a day. And this property costed us 6,500 a night in August 2025. We had a great time here and we would definitely recommend this place. If you found this video helpful, share it with someone who's planning a trip to Goa, and don't forget to subscribe for more such videos.